Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm Random Guy on YouTube, and for those of you who are new here, I'm developing a neural network algorithm to create a new investing strategy using fundamental stock metrics. I've set up a training portfolio based on the algorithm's recommendations. It analyzes data from companies on the New York Stock Exchange and NASDAQ to generate price targets. I then adjust my portfolio by removing companies trading below these targets and adding top picks from each sector, aiming to keep the sector allocation aligned with the S&P 500 for a fair comparison. Now let me be honest, I'm not exactly Warren Buffett. That's precisely why I've turned to an algorithmic approach. It eliminates emotional decision-making and processes vast amounts of data, spotting patterns that might escape human investors. Recently, I finished a new version of my neural network, refining the input nodes and introducing new ones to optimize performance. I also trained 2 new instances, bringing my total to 5 distinct networks. Each provides different predictions, and by averaging these price targets, I hope to achieve more accurate forecasts. With 5 different networks, I can also delve into statistical analysis. When predictions from various networks converge, the outcome is likely more reliable. I use standard deviation, sigma, to measure this variability. Although stock prices can't have a normal distribution since they can't go below 0, the normal distribution is a handy approximation. For example, my price target for TSM is $240.06, with a standard deviation of $23.69. This suggests a 68.2% probability that the stock price in 6 months will be between $216.37 and $263.75, and an 84% probability that it will be above $216.37. While these standard deviations don't directly translate into probabilities of price movement, it's a concept worth exploring. What started as a stock investing tool might even become useful for stock options trading, which I might explore in the future. Now let's jump into the portfolio update. I've brought in 7 fresh stocks, swapping out those that no longer meet our criteria. In the technology sector, I'm saying goodbye to DLO and SHLS. Instead, I'm bringing in Axcelis Technologies and Silicon Motion Technology. Axcelis Technologies operates in the semiconductor industry, providing innovative ion implantation and other processing equipment essential for manufacturing the chips powering our everyday gadgets. Silicon Motion Technology, on the other hand, specializes in developing NAND flash controllers for solid-state storage devices, a crucial component for PCs, smartphones, and much more. Over in healthcare, HAE is out, and Biogen Inc. steps in. Biogen is a major player in the biotech space, focusing on therapies for neurological diseases, including multiple sclerosis and Alzheimer's disease. Their cutting-edge research and development make them a formidable force in the industry. In the financial sector, I'm letting go of LPRO after a remarkable 18.63% gain in just 3 weeks to make room for Tradeweb Markets. Tradeweb is renowned for their electronic trading platforms, which enhance the efficiency and transparency of trading fixed income products, derivatives, and ETFs. The consumer cyclical sector sees HTHT, which enjoyed a 29.61% rise, being replaced by Movado Group. Movado is a global watchmaker famous for its museum dial watches and modern, elegant designs. Their blend of innovation and style keeps them a favorite among luxury watch enthusiasts. In communication services, out goes TME, up by 19.92%, and in comes EverQuote. EverQuote operates an online marketplace for insurance shopping, simplifying the process for both consumers and providers by connecting them through data-driven insights. Finally, in the utilities sector, I'm switching out CT for Elite, a company focused on sustainable energy solutions. Elite is dedicated to renewable energy and reliable power delivery, making significant strides toward a greener future. Now, here's some exciting news. Despite being just over a month old, my portfolio has already gained 4%. When we look at the performance chart, it's clear that we're significantly outperforming the major indices. The S&P 500 has gone up by only 2.2%, and the NASDAQ 100 a mere 1.5%. This early success is really encouraging and a promising start for our strategy. Just a reminder, this is not financial advice. I'm just a random guy on YouTube sharing my experience with investing. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more updates. Bye.